This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 17th, 2023. It's currently April 9th, 2023, 6:14 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file that we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 9:29 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have an unexpected move higher. Usually the star card will form like a big move higher out of a decline, making it rather unexpected. The behavior around the highest high, there's three pokes through the same price level followed by a sharp decline. Now that could transpire in a couple of different ways. At the high, there could be three pokes and then a sharp drop off of it, or there could be three highs and then off of that third high there's a sharp drop. So we'll have to look into it in more detail. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a crest that we sell, a prominent crest on a one-day chart that we sell off from pretty notably on a one-day chart scale. I'm advised to trade around a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position, and both the high and the low mark opportunities, like significant trade opportunities on a one-day kind of scale. So first thing I would do is likely close a short position from the prior day, from the 16th, close it at the open if we're to the low, because what's going to happen here is we've got this move to the upside and then it's followed by a retracement. So we'll probably open higher in the pre-market, move to the upside, and then there's a retracement that might take place. It's going to take place the closer we get to the open, the more likely it is to take place with a retracement through multiple support levels. Usually it's a full retracement of the prominent move higher, like you come all the way back down to where the move higher started and it makes like a triangle. There is a pop and drop. Either Congress is highlighted or there's a holding pattern with a pop and drop here in the first half hour, with kind of like a peak in the midst of the pop and drop. So we go from like moving higher to lower, declining in the around the open, and then there's a pop and drop in the first half hour, followed by a rally that takes us to a failed attempt to break through key resistance, like an unexpected move to the upside here that takes place out of a decline. With a failed attempt to break through resistance, and then a turnaround and a decline through key support. The decline continues into roughly noon, increasing with momentum as we move forward towards noontime. Out of that decline, we establish support, and then there's a big move to the upside, standing out on a one-day chart. Looks like we establish support again. After that big move to the upside, we establish support again at a higher level. There's another prominent move higher standing out on a one-day chart, and then we establish support again at a higher level. So like a lot of bullish behavior around like noon to 2 o'clock-ish. And then we decline pretty notably after that big move to the upside around 145-ish. We decline after the move higher around 145-ish. We decline to meet a support level that we recently met. So probably support level that we established all the way back here around the 11 o'clock-ish, 12 o'clock-ish somewhere. And then there's a rally out of the low along a diagonal trend line. It does end, but it ends with a fast sudden move higher. And it looks like that fast sudden move higher, the closer we get to the close, the more likely that fast sudden move higher is to take place, and that fast sudden move higher will end the rally along the diagonal trend line. We'll turn around and we'll decline through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down, like out of the closed. Sneak preview for the following day. In a lot of cases, the Queen is a difficult card for sneak previews to determine where we open in relation to today's close, but my sense is that we probably open lower. Let me see here. It's pretty declining here on the 18th, 19th. My sense is we probably open lower, or if we don't open lower, we decline pretty quickly in the pre-market with a sharp drop, it looks like here. In any case, that's May 17th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If your channel needs your support, definitely not out of the woodworks yet, guys. We're still running roughly a deficit, so we definitely need support still. You can do the 5% profits to the channel here at Cash App, PayPal, 5% forward to one of these charities, and make sure whatever you do, you spend that money out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.